The Spud missile has survived yet again for its third and final for today launch.
We're launching the third potato. Let's see if the Spud lasts this time. This will be crazy if it does.
Alright, let's load it up. Now we just need to
safety pins out.
Hook up the electrical cable.
Here, you want me to hold it? Played a lot of second games. Got nice shots. Game last night.
Is there still a potato on there? The new one. The new potato.
All right.
The last rocket one.
Set the zoom where you want it.
No, we're not going to run out of potatoes, but this is our last motor.
Yeah. This will be the third and final launch for the Spud missile. Even if it does survive because we're out of rocket motors.
This should probably go no more straighter than the other ones.
All right. I like the confidence.
Alright, range is clear. Countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That one was cool. That one went,
Hey, look, the name tag! The name tag came off this time. Yet again, the rocket survives miraculously. Now they'll find the potato that always falls off.
Found it somewhere over here, huh?
Yeah, probably gonna be over here.
I found it off. Once again, no finding potato over here. So far, we have not found a potato. Let's look back here. Right here. Huh? I can smell it. It's on the straw. Right here somewhere. It went in the tree. I know, you can smell it.
Yeah, smell rocket fumes.
Is that still?
I want to see the potato like survive.
Dude, that's still working. He was like,
Yeah.
hits him on the bike. Ah!
Dude, this thing is like
He goes through his
Survivor Man.
tire.
This thing's like Survivor Man. It's
I
still
know,
working.
not anymore. Yeah, it's somewhere right here. Dude, it's like a person on a bike. It's like do. Ah!
That would be funny. It was like the little kid that I jacked the scooter from. He's like,
Because it's more closer over here. Right here, yeah, somewhere right here. Yeah, everybody scoot back and look right here. Split it out. Probably the motor from the explosion.
yeah.
And once again, no potato. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't really care that much.
We already saw 2 potatoes.
Alright, so that concludes the Spud missile launches. Well, the first time we've launched it. So, miraculously, this thing's still working, so you might see some
practice.
So you might see another launch of this sometime soon if we can get more motors. So